Hi, I'm Ron White from Arcadian Quilt Studio. There's a gauge that you can buy for measuring the top thread tension. This can be used to measure the needle thread tension on a home sewing machine, an embroidery machine, or a long arm quilting machine. You take the thread and you wrap it around this hook 4 to 6 times, enough to keep the thread from slipping when you're actually going to do the tension measurement. It is a little slippery and fiddly sometimes. Once you've got it attached, then you pull the thread. Tajima says that the tension should be between 110 and 150, and I found that to be a good range in real life. Now the optimum measurement is going to vary depending upon whether it's a home sewing machine, an embroidery machine, a long arm quilting machine, the size of needle, things like that. But what you want to do is when your thread tensions are balanced and you're happy with that and you're getting a good stitch, then you want to take a measurement on this gauge and note that tension, and that's the tension that you're going to shoot for. Make sure that when you're doing this test that you have the thread down through the foot, because you want to pull that thread straight down through the needle, because that's tension when the machine is actually running. Another reason you want to do that and pull straight down on the thread is that you don't want to possibly bend or break the needle doing the tension test. This thread gauge is manufactured by Tajima, and I couldn't find very many places where you can purchase this, but I did find that you can purchase it from Superior Threads. Hopefully you will like and subscribe so that I know my efforts are worthwhile. Thank you.